I'm Melody with River City Events. Today, I'm going to show you how to chill with your friends by using our snow cone machine. First, you're going to unwrap it. When you unwrap the machine, you'll find inside the instructions, the ice scoop, and the syrup pump. At River City, we offer a variety of flavors such as blue raspberry, cherry, cotton candy, grape, lemon and lime, orange, root beer, and tiger blood. First, you want to place the snow cone machine on a level surface, low enough to reach the hopper. Now it's time to set up the syrups and the cones. You want to do this before you turn on the hopper. Each syrup gets its own pump. You don't want to cross-contaminate the flavors. Now it's time to break the ice. You want to turn on the switch, raise the pusher handle, fill the goosenecks with ice, lower the pusher handle while pressing the motor. Sometimes the ice is too hard for it to go through the gooseneck. For your safety, do not put your hand in the gooseneck. Wait for it to thaw and the ice will go through. Now it's time to make our snow cones. You want to scoop a ball of ice, put it into your cone. Wet ice makes a better snow cone. You want to let it just sit a couple of seconds. Then it's time to put on your flavors. It might squirt, so go easy. Okay, when it's time to clean, don't forget to turn off and unplug the machine. Spray down your rag with the vinegar and water solution. Wipe down the syrup pump, the ice scoop, and inside. Shine up that glass. Don't forget to clean out the hopper as well. Well, I had a ball chilling with you guys, making snow cones. This is Melody with River City Events. Have a beautiful day.